MobilStairs. If you've ever seen a grandstand assembling, you know it's a long, time-consuming process that usually involves an entire team of workers. MobilStairs is an invention that solves this problem. It is a grandstand that even 2 people can assemble in a short time. The invention stands out for its ease of assembly and mobility. When folded, the MobilStairs is no bigger than a freight trailer. The wheels make it much easier to transport the structure from one place to another. When the construction is deployed, it turns into a spacious grandstand. Every element is securely fixed, and the fence along the edge provides increased safety. Having a tent is definitely an advantage too. As you can see, the person puts a minimum of effort in. He pushes the levers in a certain order, after which the system starts to unfold on its own. The Belgian company Tube manufactures such systems. In addition to the stands, it also produces mobile folding scenes.